10 monthly expenses na dapat nasa family budget mo. Example, food is 15,000 pesos, kasama ang pang-ulam, bigas, tinapay, at snacks. Ang tip ko lang is mag-meal plan at grocery list para mas kontrolado ang food budget. Electricity and water, for example, 5,000 pesos. Electricity, 4,200, water, 800 pesos. Remember, bantayan ang paggamit ng appliances at tubig para hindi lumobo ang bills. Housing, for example, 8,000 pesos. Kung umuupa, that's 8,000 pesos for the house rent. Kung ang sariling bahay naman, no, pwedeng ilaan yung budget no para sa home maintenance and repairs. School expenses and allowance, for example, 5,000 pesos. Kasama ang baon, school supplies, project, and miscellaneous expense. Remember, maglaan ng regular budget para hindi mabigla kapag may school expenses. Transportation and work allowance, for example, 5,000 pesos, kasama ang pamasahe, meal allowance, gasolina, and parking. Load and internet, for example, 2,500 pesos. Internet, for example, 1,500, load and data, 1,000 pesos. Remember, piliin ang plan o promo na sapat sa actual usage ng pamilya. Household expenses, for example, 5,000 pesos, kasama ang cleaning supplies, toiletries, laundry, LPG, and other household expenses, no? Maglista muna bago bumili para maiwasan ang unnecessary expenses. Clothing and personal expenses, for example, 4,000 pesos, kasama ang damit, sapatos, haircut, and other personal care. Remember, hindi kailangan gastusin ang buong 4,000 pesos bawat buwan. Pwedeng maipon ito para sa future needs. Leisure and family activities para sa family bonding, eating out, simple outings, or even entertainment. Remember, mag-budget din para mag-enjoy rather, hindi puro tipid. Savings or emergency fund, for example, 3,000 pesos. Remember, 3,000 ang automatic na itatabi bawat buwan. Treat your savings as a monthly commitment, hindi bilang perang gagastusin kapag may natira. Remember, ang mga ito ay halimbawa lamang. Pwedeng mag-iba ito depende sa income at lifestyle ng isang pamilya. So that's all and thanks so much for watching.